Welcome to how to use the virtual tour. The virtual tour has 6 main features. 1. The dollhouse. 2. The floor plan. 3. The 3D space. 4. The measurement mode. 5. The zoom mode. 6. The share icon. The dollhouse feature, which is activated by clicking on the icon or pressing number 2 in the keyword, will allow you to see the building as a 3D floor map, in which you can navigate and choose the area where to start or explore. The floor plan feature, which is activated by clicking on the icon or pressing number 3, will allow you to see the space from the top, which can be helpful to navigate it or take measurements of the space. The 3D space feature, which is activated by clicking on the icon or pressing number 1 in the keyword, will allow you to explore the building or space, as if you were walking in it. This will allow you to see all the details within the space, take measurements and explore as needed. The measurement mode, which is activated by clicking on the icon, will allow you to take measurements of the space, walls, furniture and any element found on the virtual tour. This feature has a 99% accurate within range. The zoom mode is activated by scroll up and down on your mouse. The share icon will allow you to share the virtual tour via a link or social media. Now, let's try it. Starting in dollhouse mode, you are going to click on 3D space or press number 1. This will take you to the 3D view of the space. There will be circles that you can click on to follow a view path or just navigate on your own by clicking on the different areas that you want to explore. Also, you may find circle tags. These can be clicked on and can contain pictures, videos or additional content related to the area. If the space is too large, and you want to jump from one place to the other, you can always click on dollhouse or press number 2. Or floor plan or press number 3, this will show you the entire floor plan and the names of the areas you can go into and explore. As an example, go into the floor plan and choose lane 6, there you can explore the area, take measurements or just go into detail in the space. You can continue exploring on your own or go back to the floor plan to navigate into different areas. To take measurements. One of the greatest features of the virtual tour, you click on the ruler to go into measurement mode. Once in it, you will click the plus sign button and click on the corner or starting point of the space or element you want to measure. Then you will drag the cursor to the ending point, click to set the end point, and then click the check mark button to finish the measurement. Now, let's say you want to measure a square area. You will click the plus sign button and click on the corner or starting point of the space or element you want to measure. Then you will drag the cursor to the next corner and click on it. This will create a point, and then drag the cursor again to continue the shape or the space you are measuring, and so on until you finish the space or element you wanted to measure, and then click the check mark button to finish. This feature will create highlighted lines with the measurements for future use. If you want to delete a line, you can just click on any of the measurements shown and it will select the line or shape and just click the trash can button and it will delete it. To exit the mode, just click on the ruler icon. The virtual tour is an amazing tool for any company. So we hope you have enjoyed the tutorial and have fun exploring.